Hello, welcome to another video in the technology hacks category. In this video, I will show you how to maintain your system and make your system 10 times faster and smoother. Many of us face the same problem where our system after a few days of usage gets lagged and runs slow. Even I faced the same problem and looked for solutions. Luckily, I have found a solution to our common problem, and I will share the solution so that you no need to struggle like me. The best solution is the Advanced System Repair Pro software. This one software is enough to solve all our computer related problems. The only drawback is that it is so costly. But luckily you have me. I am sharing with you the software in below description, which is a Google Drive link. Download it and then install it. But a small request from my side is, if you like what I am doing and want more technical hacks like this, all I need from you is a genuine little support. You can support me by liking, subscribing, clicking on the notification bell and sharing these videos with your friends. This all takes a very less amount of time, but your actions meant a lot to me. I am making my videos short so that I am aiming for quality than quantity. After downloading the file from the description link I have provided, after unzipping it, you will find a folder like this. Now I have uninstalled the software from my system to show you how to install it again. Open this folder. You will find another folder here. Open it. Then you have to install ASR Pro installer.exe. Click on it. Yes. Continue. And you have to uncheck these two. Uncheck it. And also uncheck launch on system start. Because if you check it, every time your system boots up, the software automatically runs, but you no need to run every time. Just uncheck all these three and check only desktop icon. Click on I accept and click on install and scan now. This will take few minutes and it will install in your system. You see, now it got installed and opened. Now all you have to do is click on key.txt. Just copy this key. You can open this with Notepad if you don't have Sublime Text. Now go here. C for enter key option. You can find that on clicking on menu and license. Paste that key whatever we have copied there. Click on apply key. Now you will receive a message saying that product has been registered successfully. Click on OK. OK. Now all you have to do is once close this application and again open it. You can find that icon in your desktop, or you can click on search and you can click on Advanced System Repair Pro. If you just type ADV, it will be coming here. Open it. Now the Pro version is activated. This is what the software looks like, Advanced System Repair Pro. So you can check all the things necessary for you, like PC scan options. I need to check malware cleaner. I need to check system registry. I need to check security holes. So I have checked the all boxes here. And also you can check real-time protection and real-time system care. But advanced VPN will not work for you. It will say to upgrade. So we will not be using advanced VPN, but we will be using all other stuff here. All you need to do is click on scan. It will take less than half an hour to complete the scan based on your system. For example, if you are using higher RAM and having higher CPU, then it will take less time. But if you are having lower RAM or lower CPU, it will take more time. Based on your system, it will take the time to complete the scan. It will get all the details from your computer. You can also skip the scan or pause the scan and also stop the scan if needed. After the scan completed, you'll get a window like this. For you, it will be somewhat better results, like you will be getting some numbers here and some options here. Since I have clicked on skip current scan, I have not scanned this area. I have only scanned this area. Now all you need to do is click on fix issues now. Click on whatever preferences you want. For example, I want to clear browser cache and browsing history, but I do not want to delete web logins data. So I'll check only these two and I will not check this. Click on continue. Now it will take some time and it will automatically fix all your issues related to whatever you see here.